The table opening diameter of 180 mm and the maximum usable height of 100 mm allow even the use of heavier tooling. The 45-degree rearward tilting spindle ensures maximum safety whilst giving you operating freedom and endless variety from your existing tooling. The spindle is equipped with an integrated angle scale accurate to the degree as standard. The spindle fence is large enough to accommodate tooling of up to 220 mm in diameter. The left side of the fence can be set at any position between -5 and +25 mm. There is easy access to all of the operating elements of the spindle. The availability of 4 different speeds gives the B3 even more versatility in terms of tool selection. The Euro spindle guard that comes as standard on the machine ensures that the cutter block is covered whilst operating the machine. The guard consists of a pressing shoe that keeps pressure on from above. And a second transparent pressing shoe that then keeps the workpiece pushed securely against the fence. The tiltable spindle helps to save money by lowering tooling costs. Just one tool can be used to attain a variety of results. Especially when it comes to profile tooling, the possibilities are endless. The slot and tenoning hood ensures perfect results and a safe working process. The eccentric clamp keeps the workpiece fixed to the table. What a result, thanks to technology and know-how from Hammer. The Hammer Power Feeder is an extremely important accessory when it comes to safety and overall finish. Thanks to the tilt-away mount, the power feeder can be locked into position within seconds. The power feeder provides a steady feed speed, ensuring the workpiece is pushed firmly against the table and fence. The constant speed and pressure ensure that the results are flawless. Heavy spindle tools are no problem for the 4 horsepower motor, allowing for the removal of a large amount of stock in one run. A truly perfect result. In just a short time, the machine can be converted from a spindle to a saw. Hammer saws can also be optionally equipped with a removable flange. This allows you to equip your saw with a dado blade with a thickness of up to 19.5 mm or 3/4 of an inch. With the use of a simple jig, it is possible to create high-quality finger joints. A 10 mm long dowel can be used as a reference point. The distance between the 10 mm dado tool and the dowel is also 10 mm. For each extra cut, the workpiece is simply moved along the joints. The counterpiece is then placed against the first piece, and then the process is complete. This is how easy it is to make quick and easy finger joints. A truly perfect result. Simple and low cost. The robust cast iron table and saw spindle units guarantee that with each working process you will achieve extreme precision thanks to the vibration-free machining. The robust sliding table ensures an incredibly smooth cut. With a 4 horsepower motor as standard on the machine, cutting and molding is simple and easy, even when processing harder woods. The ability to tilt the spindle 45 degrees to the rear helps to reduce the cost of tooling and guarantees maximum variety and operator safety. The B3 Winner, which is 100% built in Austria, boasts incredible user-friendliness, high performance and precision, all at an amazing price. If you want to learn more about the B3 Winner or see the machine for yourself, then visit or contact your local showroom or office for more details. Our qualified sales and service team are always available, and we look forward to your call.